in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to give the developer access of your PayPal account. For that, first of all, we have to go to the account setting from top bar. So just click on account setting. And after that, you will get the interface like this. And here is the option is manage users. And it will under the section of account access. So just click on the update. Just click on update. And here is the option is add user. So just click on add user and put all the information of your developer. So you have to put all the information is here and don't need to give the numbers. And here is the user login information. So give the user ID. So I just put the user ID one. You can put anything, but it should be unique. So Javed123 is fine, and I think everything is fine. And here is the email of developers email. Okay, and we have to put the the birth. And I think that's it. So now just go to the continue. So just click on continue. And we have to give the access APIs and developer support site. So just click on this one, access APIs and developer support site, and we don't need to give the other access. So just now continue and done. And here is the status is pending. So when developer they approve the request, and then it status is okay. So that's it. Thank you.